Yo, what's going on, everybody? CPT here, and want to show you some cool thing that you could do on Twitch to add a lot of flair and some cool stuff on your Twitch stream. I'll show you how to hotkey it, and it's good. You know what? It'll be easier to show you. So let me see. So the first thing you're gonna need though is this program right here. It's called Clip Grab. You can find it for free online, but it's basically you could put a URL in to right here. And then you could grab this clip, and then you want to save it. So basically, let's say create a new folder. I already have one. This folder is called GIFs, right? So you're going to save it to your GIFs. So without further ado, let's show you how to do this. Now, what you're going to want to do, let me show you a couple of them. Now, I got them hotkeyed. So basically, if I press F2, this is one that I created that was real simple. So these are great for like an opening monologue or something like that. As well as this one, I got hotkey to F3. This is just another, opening monologue. Want to just talk, shoot the shit. F4, we got, thanks. If something happens when you're live streaming on Twitch, CPT_WARM on Twitch. No, I was joking. But, you want to thank somebody, boom. You make that and you hotkey it. I got hotkey to F4. If someone's new to the stream or someone shows up, and they say hi, F5, welcome. You do some funny ones. Anyone you want. If someone is saying goodbye, I got one for goodbye. That's that. F7, if someone's lurking, if someone here want to lurk, spaghetti. Spaghetti, Tim and Eric, look it up. But, they want to lurk. F8, you got a clutch moment. You got something dope. You can make a clutch one. These are examples you make for yourself. F9, fail. I push that a lot. That button's worn out. So when you get a failures like that. F9, F10, all the feels. And then I got hotkeyed over to F1 as if I want to go back to the game. So I can just go, F5 and then F1, go back to the game. I don't have a currently game open on PC. This is window capture mode. Or else. So you can have hotkeyed your scene, any scene you want. And that's going to be done down here under your settings. It's not going to show you the settings. So to make a separate video for hotkey, you might have to put it on the other. Okay, we'll do that afterwards. I'll show you the hotkey if you don't know how. So I got to put it on under screen capture, which is going to be where it is. Okay, screen capture. You can see the background here. Whoa, I just lost track. What was I going to show you? Alright. Either way. Now I'm so confused. What was I going to show? What did I just have open? People are watching it going like, no. Oh, yeah. So F1 or F2 and how to switch back to the game. Whatever. I don't know what I was talking about, to be honest with. But let me show you a real quick way how to do it. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to a website. Oh, I was going to show you the hotkey. Gosh darn it. Okay, settings on OBS, bottom right. Let's see if we drag it up. There they are. So settings. You click hotkey. Now, any scene you have here, you can see. These are all the scenes that I have made, right? So let's say here's the clutch one. What you want to do is switch to scene. Right there you can see switch to scene. You click on it, and you press the button you want to hotkey, and then you hit apply. So you can I like to hotkey it to the Fs. Just be careful that you're clicked on the right monitor because the F automatic also have functions as well. But hotkey to any key you'd like. If you have a special keyboard with other keys, you can hotkey them to there. But I'm using the Fs and it doesn't cause me too much trouble. Then apply and then you're done. Okay, so clip grab, and then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to a website called Giphy, Giphy.com. So now we're going to show you how to make one when someone drops bits or anything like that. We're going to thank them, like making it rain type one like this. So we'll just type in here, make it rain, right? Make it rain. Oh, as you can see, we got tons of awesome ones already. This is the one I was hoping for. You want to click on that, and then you click on copy link, and then you want to, wait, let's see, media, hang on. Yeah, click on where it says media with the forward arrow. And then MP4, and then hit copy. And then once it's copied, go to clip grab, Control V, and then it's going to say grab this clip. Now, save it to a folder. here I got, this is my gifts for all the other ones I made. So this is the folder I made for gifts. So we're going to call it Rain 1, and this comes in easy. Get like 8 or 9 of them, and you could figure out the squares later. But you know, Rain 1, Rain 2, you don't want to label it a bunch of different crazy labels. So now I'll go back to here. I like this one. Let's see. I like the kids doing it. Oh, we always got to have a SpongeBob one. Did I tell you? All right, hang on. Let's get the kids. All right, let's get another one of these. We'll do this quick. Media, copy, Alt-Tab, clip grab, Control-V, grab this clip. Call it Rain 2. What else do we got? Let's see if there's a show me the money. I like it. I like Donald Duck counting the money. This one's dope. Media, copy, Alt Tab, boom, boom, Control V, enter, Rain 3, enter. Okay. I like this one. Media, copy MP4, tab, Control V, grab this clip, Rain 4, enter. We'll get one more. You're gonna need more than that, but we'll just start here. Oh yeah, Dave Chappelle. You know we gotta have him. So media, MP4, copy again, Alt Tab. Here, Control V. This is gonna be Rain 5, I believe. You can see there, Rain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, save. Okay, so now that being done, let me show you how to make them. How do we show you how to do that? So we go to, how do I show you OBS? You can't see OBS. I should have thought this through. Let's see if I put OBS here. No, it ain't gonna work. I think I have to have 2 OBSs open. So anyways, you go to scenes. You're not gonna be able to see this. Crap, how do I show you OBS? There has to be a way. Alright, I'll talk you through it. And I'll see if I can do something. Hang on. Add a new scene. We'll call it Make It Rain. Make it rain. Any of your other ones, your microphone, you might not even be hearing me right now. Copy the mic, go to your new scene, paste it. Now we got a mic. And a webcam. Copy. Make it rain. Right click, paste. Now we got a webcam, we got a mic, we got it here. Now, in this scene, Make It Rain, add image. Okay, now we're going to call it Rain 1. Okay, make sure fill. Browse, desktop, GIFs, search for. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. I'm sorry. It's not add an image. I'm a complete idiot. Remove. Add browser source. Media source. Add media source. There we go. Thank you. Add media source. I don't know if you could see this. You guys, you're not going to, I don't know if you could see it. So, and then, okay, Rain 1. Okay. Make sure to hit loop. Very important. The very first one under the tab is loop. You want it to loop because it's the GIF. It's a 1-second GIF. It will just play. It won't stop. So you want to loop it, and then go to browse, and then once you're in here, just type, Rain 1, open. All right, there it is. So now, add media source, Rain 2. Okay, loop. Browse, RAIN 2, enter, oops, Rain 2, open, looped, okay. Just kind of move it because they all spawn here, so they populate there, I should say. So media source, name it Rain 3. Okay. Loop, browse, RAIN 3. Open, open. You can add music, all kinds of stuff to like this, but add media source, Rain 4, loop. You're gonna see it's gonna overlap here now since I didn't move that Donald Duck. Which is fine, but you know, so you can set it here. We'll add one more because that's all we have downloaded. But you can get 8 or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rain 5. Okay. Loop, browse. Rain 5. Open. Okay. Now once you have them opened, just kind of figure out a way to make it fit. Like this can probably be a little bigger. You know, you could layer it by, you know, going up or down with this. You know, if you wanted to go like this, but then you wanted to bring Rain 1 to the top, you could bring it up top like that to add room, kind of, or just kind of go like something like that. Dave Chappelle, boom. Something like that. Get your camera. See, webcam's behind, so just drag it up again. Webcam will come to the front, and you can have a couple more over here. So that's how you make it. And now let's hotkey it. Let's go to settings, hotkey. So you're not going to see this. I'm going to show you how to hotkey. I already showed you how to hotkey. Never mind. Hotkey. We'll find our new one, which is not moving right now. I can't scroll down. Make it rain. Switch to scene, F10. So that's my new one. Apply, because I had a space in F10. Okay, now, so now we're in OBS. F1 switches the game. F2 is monologue. F3, F4, thanks. F5, welcome. F6, goodbye. F7, here to lurk. Clutch, feels. And there's our new one right there on F10 when someone dropped you bits. You know what I mean? And then F10, I push F10 again. You can have different transitions too as far as the slide or swipe or whatever. Oops. F12. Oh, you know what? I already had something on F10. Alright. That's okay. I'll fix it offline. But anyways, hey. Hopefully that helps. If you got any questions, message me in the comments and follow each other on Twitch. We can join the Discord. I'll leave a link to my personal Discord. You guys can hop in there. If you need any more tips on how to do this, let me know. But that's it. ClipGrab, Giphy.com, create a scene, add a media source. Make sure you get your camera. Make sure you get a mic in every single scene, because or else you might switch to a scene and they can't hear you or they can't see you. So you want a mic and your camera on every scene. You don't need your camera if you want, but you definitely need a mic. So anyways, much love, everybody. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps. Would appreciate a like and a sub if this did help. And if you're a YouTuber, Twitch streamer, whatever, let me know in the comments. Let's follow each other, support each other. That's what it's all about. What if, real quick question though, I'm going to leave you with this. What if the Hokey Pokey really was what it's all about? I'm a ghost.